Okay guys, as you can see, this is a very big box. I'm very excited for the contents of this super big box. I'm so sorry for terrible lighting, by the way. And yes, this is like literally an actual like wooden box. I'm getting like splinters just from touching it, which is insane. But yeah, this is a huge box. But basically, let me open this up and show you what's inside. All right, y'all. So basically, I got EVS style fenders, which look so sick. I'm so hyped to get these on the car. But yeah, this took way too long to come in, by the way. But yeah, they're here. And yeah, this was two of these was in that giant freaking box, which is silly, but it is what it is. I'm just glad they're here and that they look good and that there's nothing wrong with them. Well, the carbon fenders are on. They fit really freaking good, y'all. Besides like this little gap here, which I'm not gonna lie, this is the hood's problem, not the fenders, in my opinion. Because you see, my car been having a hood gap ever since I took it in for the rebuild. It's had like a giant hood gap. Yeah, obviously there's still like some like rashes and like dirt spots and shit like that, but honestly I don't really care for it because like I drive the hell out of this car anyways, so of course it's gonna be mad dirty, and honestly I don't mind it because it still looks freaking beautiful. I don't really care for all that. But yeah, we're at like the little pre-meet spot for the actual meet. It's like a cars and cameras, so there's gonna be cars and cameras. And yeah, got a bike here too, some voice Jixer. Got two vets, two Stangs. This thing looks sick. All blacked out. This Stang is rubbing hella. You can see his tire marks on there. But nah, this fitment otherwise is very clean. I love this like kind of pokey fitment. I low-key am thinking about doing this for the Supra, and it's getting like 25 mil spacers and running just poke like this. It's sick as hell. Because right now I'm like slim on the ground right now. Hellcat. That's a big. Those two look like very fast. It's a 06 and a SS, I think 1LE. That and a Mach 1. This thing is insane. Yeah, no, you don't really see too many Mach 1s out here. But here's one. I think this is like one of our boys too, which is kind of cool. And there's a Honda Integra over there, and a Z just pulled up, parking next to the VQ boys. But yeah, no, I'm just glad that I got the car like all fixed up and done. Because for those who didn't know, I hydroplaned a couple weeks ago, and since then I haven't really been driving the car, simply because like, dude, it was in such bad condition. Like you hear like random things rubbing and scraping and shit. The exhaust is still kind of on the line, low key. Like this piece needs to go in a little bit more. But you know what? That's a battle for a different day. And the diffuser's still a little bit bent, but it's fine. Like this diffuser has been through way too much already. Like too many incidents. Honestly, I cannot fault it. I got my money's worth out of this, because anything else probably would have broken. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, like when I hydroplaned, I just remember like this like bumper area literally like was off the car almost. This like the Maxon Design spat fell off. The street arrow side skirt fell off, and then my front fender got like dented in. So I used it as an excuse to buy carbon fenders. Yeah. And on the bright side, I'm not sponsored by Street Arrow, so I have my own code. I'm gonna try to put that in the description somewhere. I'm not really trying to like push this stuff too much, and be honest with you guys. I just like cars, and if a company wants to like help me out and sponsor me, then you know, more power to them. You know, better for me because I get cheap parts. But yeah, if you guys want a little discount for Street Arrow stuff, I guess should be in the description somewhere. But yeah, I'm just glad the car is like somewhat clean now. Next thing I'm looking for, honestly, is a wing. I really want a wing that actually gives downforce though, so I'm not gonna get those like street hunter like wings. I'm not into that bullshit, in my opinion. Again, they look good. I'm gonna be real, they look good, but they don't really provide that much like downforce or like any aerodynamic help. And I'm someone that likes to build a car for a function, a lot more of a form. I know I say that, but then I have like all this like visual stuff, but most of the things I got that were like visual were free. So this I got for free, these spats I got for free, these obviously I'm sponsored, so technically free, but you know, whatever. Even my intake was like partially sponsored, so it's like, you know, is it really like that much money? No. Like all in all, I think I spent like triple on performance over visual stuff. Like obviously, like these fenders, you know, you can make a case that's like, oh yeah, aero, whatever bullshit, but it's mostly for looks, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it looks cool as hell. That's the only reason why I got it, or the only reason why I wanted to buy it. It looks cool as hell. But yeah, these were like heavily discounted when I bought them. Those mirrors were like $20. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure it's not real carbon, but yeah, most like the visual stuff I got for free. So it's like, you know, I'm a lot more of a function over form guy, because I think if you have function, the form comes with it, kind of, you know. So it's like, whatever. Yeah, no, this is a clean looking Gixxer Thou 07, 08 gen. You guys know I'm not the biggest Gixxer fan, but they're cool, I guess. All right, guys, so all the cars and the bike is getting ready to head out. Got like a small, chill little group, so it should be pretty nice. But yeah, we're gonna head to the cars and cameras right now, and should be a good old jolly old time. Yeah, gonna stop at the station. They're gonna grab some like 85, but yeah. Y'all, look at the freaking squadron of cars we got. We got my boy Peanut on the bike as well, on the Gixxer 1000. Look at that. Everyone's just mobbing to the meet. We're gonna go pick up some E though, because some of these cars, they want to get a little rowdy today. But I'm just here for the vibe, so I already have a full tank of gas. And my check engine light for my downpipe as well. Alright, well, we're at the first stop. There's state law enforcement. But he's being chill. But yeah, there's just cars, bike, everywhere. But I need to pee, like really badly. So we're gonna go do that. Yeah, I'm parked next to the Hellcat and the Mach 1. This thing is sick as hell. Yeah, a lot of loud cars here, a lot of fast cars here. And obviously, you know, the bike is probably one of the faster things, period. But no, this is awesome. What a great way to start Sunday morning. All right, y'all. People got their much needed E, and I got my much needed P. And now we're back on the road. No, that would be a crazy race. That Camaro versus the Gixxer Thou, that would be an insane race, I feel like. In Mexico, obviously, not here. Y'all, look at this. Look at that. That's crazy. There's so many cars right now. It's just insane. We're going like 10, 15 cars deep, it seems. Wow. Look at how many freaking cars there are now. Like, that is insane. Like, wow. So freaking deep right now. And look at the scenery too. It's so beautiful out here. lineup, y'all. And we got the bike here. Huh? And we got the bike here. Yes, sir. With the yes, sir. Okay. Rolling into the spot right now. I think there's like probably 20 cars, 15 cars with us. Oh shit, that sounds so good. Yeah, yeah, I'm so excited. Cars and cameras. I think second one, first one, I don't know. But I'm here for it. I'm just, you know, hosting a meet. Got my name on it. It's lit. Yeah. Alright, yo. We got to the spot. Got a lot of American cars here, y'all. But hey, we're repping, me and this Bimmer right here, we're repping the German cars. We're repping the B58s. This thing is insane. I'm pretty sure it's like fully built motor and everything. Like I'm pretty sure these are street radios. Are they not? Yeah, these are Pirelli somethings. But yeah, no, this thing is crazy. And it doesn't even like, it looks so unassuming, but he's probably one of the faster cars here, to be honest. Maybe him, and I feel like that Hellcat, and I think definitely that Shelby, but yeah. It's like definitely one of the faster cars here. I would not dare race this guy.
I've ridden in a car with you.
Especially with the things I got on mine. I'm not running anything here, yo. Maybe besides like a couple of Z's. But yeah, no, we're parked up right now, chilling. I mean, pretty good turnout so far. A lot of muscle cars. I didn't even pee though, like really badly. But yeah, this old school Saline pulled up. And then, oh, that's not a GT 500. That's not a Shelby, it's a GT. Cool. Yeah, pretty good turnout for cars and cameras. A lot of things here. Huge things. I got an alligator dog, bro. It's a whole gator.
Oh, is this a gator sausage?
Yeah. This thing's delicious. But yeah, I got this.
It's like a candy type.
Boys are all eating. Everyone's, you know, having a good time. I was here because I'm doing some media. I gotta edit some stuff, do some stuff for the meet. This looks delicious. I'm gonna be chowing on this while I'm working. It's very nice. But yeah, so far so good. They opened up early for us too, which is like super nice. But yeah, no, so far it's been a pretty good, successful cars and cameras, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Enjoy the freaking crazy macros that this has. I wonder how much, like, what the macros are, but oh well, I'm gonna eat it before it gets cold. GT350 leaving. There's another GT350 here. Yeah. I think honestly the meets are kind of coming to a close now, but there's a super chill meet. A lot of clean cars. Literally a GT3 freaking pulled up. Like what the hell? Yeah, you know, Rocket Bunny S13 over there. You guys see that? Thing's super clean. And obviously, I saw these guys from like the pre-meet. We all pulled up together, a bunch of them. Yeah, a lot of cleaner cars here. Yeah, no, super good turnout for like for cars and cameras. Honestly, it was super awesome. Super fun experience getting to like host the meet and kind of like help co-host. I didn't really do much in like preparation. That was mostly Austin. He's the real goat of this. He was kind of the one who had the idea. Yeah. GT350 right there. That thing is insane. Yeah, I didn't even go home, take a little napski, and then go to the gym because I'm tired. But yeah, super awesome freaking meet. And yeah, super good time. Alright, well, instead of leaving, we're actually gonna go cruise to another car meet. Yeah, go for it. Gonna cruise to another car meet. But yeah, we got a couple more cars pulling up. Everyone's getting their stuff ready. I was just talking to some of the guys. I'm gonna wait for everyone to finish eating, and then we're gonna head out. I'm gonna refill my drink though. My little bev. This is freaking amazing. Fruit punch, lemonade. It's a crazy combo, but it works, y'all, I promise. What is bro doing? Homie is just hanging out back there, bro. That is wild. You see this? Bro is just hanging out. But yeah, no, we're on our way to like another, like coffee, I guess. Bro is shaking ass on the jigsaw, legitimately. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy, boy. Look at how pretty these roads are, y'all. Like, this is such a freaking like good spot to like drive or ride. It's like so beautiful out here. I don't know, it's like crazy. It's like big houses and a lot of land, a lot of trees and shit. It's so nice. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna be kind of quiet. I'm getting car service right now at the shop and editing this video. But yeah, unfortunately my camera did die like during the meet, which kind of sucks, but honestly, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys be kind to yourselves, be kind to each other, and be kind to the world. And yeah, just be good people. Peace.